Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist, and in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating step by step how to ascend a flight of stairs when using a white cane. All right, let's do this. So I'd like to preface this video by saying that this video is really meant to be a review of how to ascend the stairs. It is not meant to replace meeting with an orientation and mobility specialist. This is a really critical skill, especially for safety, being on the stairs. So if you can, I highly recommend meeting with an orientation and mobility specialist in person. Alright, so for this video, I'll be focusing on ascending the stairs with a white cane. And the way I'm going to present it is really by the textbooks. So the way the textbooks teach how to ascend the stairs with the white cane, that's how I'm going to be presenting it. There's a lot of different modifications that different orientation mobility specialists might do with the person depending on the need. But for this video, I'm really just focusing on the textbook way of doing the stairs with the white cane. Okay, so now we can start the demonstration. All right, so now we can start the demonstration. I'm going to be using a set of basement stairs. I'm actually sitting on the second step right now, and we're going to be working on going up the stairs. So there's about 12 stairs in this flight of stairs, and I'm going to demonstrate now step by step how to go up these stairs when using the white cane that I'm holding here in my right hand. Okay, so step one is to locate the stairs. So before you can go up the stairs, you need to find them. So you can be locating or looking for the stairs using either two-point touch, constant contact, or even diagonal cane technique. And for this little demo here, I'm going to be using constant contact. So I'm going to be approaching the stairs. I don't have a lot of running room here to get up to it, but I can take a few steps. So I'm doing constant contact with my cane, and my cane just got stopped by the bottom of the first step. So that's step one, locating the stairs. All right, so now for step two, after you've located the stairs, you're going to want to anchor your cane and bring your cane up vertical. So right now my cane tip is at the junction between where the first step goes up and the floor. And I'm going to bring the cane up to vertical, but to do that, I'm going to need to switch my grip in the process. So when I was approaching the stairs, I was doing index finger grip, and now that I want to bring my cane up vertical, I am going to switch to pencil grip. So I'm going to switch to pencil grip here, bring my cane up vertical, and start approaching the stairs. Okay, so step three, once your cane is vertical, using pencil grip, you can now approach the bottom step with your feet. That way you're right up against the bottom of the first step. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm walking up towards my vertical cane, and I'm going to find the bottom of the first step with my toes. You don't want to go too fast that you trip, but you can kind of shuffle forward until your toes are touching that bottom of that first step. And I like to have the cane actually in between my 2 feet. That way I'm lined up pretty good. So right now my feet are touching the bottom of the first step, and the cane is vertical in between my legs. I'm still in pencil grip, and then we can go on to step four. So step four is a way of checking where you are on the stairs. So to do that, you bring your cane up off the ground, maybe about 6 to 10 inches, and you're going to move it right along the lip of that first step. So if you're moving right, you're going to want to use your right hand to do that. And then you're going to try with your left hand. So you switch hands. Again, still pencil grip. Use your left hand and move it left. This way you know exactly where your placement is on the stairs, if either you're too far left or too far right, as well as locating hand railings if the stairs have some. So now for step five, it's important to check the height and depth of the stair, because you want to know how high you're going to have to step and how far you're going to have to step to make it up these stairs. So I like to check the first step. So to do that, I'm going to raise my cane up off the ground. It's still vertical until it comes over the top of the lip of that first step. Now I have an idea of how high the stair is. And then if I keep continuing, but rest the cane tip on that first step and bring it until it comes in contact with the second step, I have an idea of how wide or how the depth of that first stair is. And once you have the first stair, you can kind of infer that the rest of the steps are going to be the same or very similar. That's not always the case, but at least you'll have an idea of how high and how far you should step. So now for step number 6, I'm going to be looking for the third stair up on the flight of stairs or the staircase. And to do that, I am going to tap the lip of each step. So right now I'm bringing my cane up vertical, found the lip of the first step, found the lip of the second step, now found the lip of the third step. All right, so now for step number 7. Once you've found the third stair, you're going to want to extend your arm straight out in front of you and lock your elbow if you can, or just have as slight bend as possible. That way your arm is extended out in front of you. The cane is still vertical. And one thing I want to point out is when you're holding the cane, you want to still be doing pencil grip, and you can be holding lower down on the cane. So you don't have to be holding onto the handle. You can actually go down onto the shaft of the cane, which actually I recommend. It makes it a little bit easier. And you're going to want to find the lip of the third stair. So the lip is where the vertical and horizontal part of the step meet, and you want your cane tip to be resting just below the horizontal part on the vertical side. So if you bring your cane up from the bottom of the top of the second stair up until you find the lip, but don't actually go over the lip onto the third stair. So that's what you are looking for. So you're looking for where your cane tip is resting on the lip of that third step, arm extended out in front of you, holding the cane in pencil grip, probably lower than the handle. Okay, so now we come to step 8, which is actually heading up the stairs. So when heading up the stairs, you want to walk one foot in front of the other. So you have left foot on one step, right foot on the next step. And you're going to be looking for the lip of each step while you're walking up. So right now my lip is again on that third stair, and I'm going to, when I start walking, go up to the next step, the next lip of the fourth stair. And to do that, you can even use your thumb a little bit to kind of flick the cane forward to help find the next step. So that's how you do it. That's how you go up the stairs. So let me demonstrate here. So I'm stepping up with my left foot. My cane is swinging forward to now the lip of the fourth stair, stepping up to the second stair with my right foot. Again, cane tip swinging forward, hitting the lip of the fifth stair, and then you just continue on. So next foot up, found the next lip, next foot up, found the next lip, next foot up, found the next lip, and so on until you get to the top. And finally, for step number 9, when you're walking up the stairs, eventually you're going to come to the top. So when you come to the top, I'm walking up the stairs now, my cane tip is still hitting the lips. When you come to the top of the stairs, when your stairs find the landing, the cane's just going to swing out in front of you. And that's how you know you're at the top of the stairs. And once you do that, I like to have you sweep the cane left and right just to make sure the top of the stairs are clear. There's no one standing there, a box or something like that. And then you'll have 2 more steps to walk up. So that's important to note that even though your cane found the top, you still need to take 2 more steps to get up to the top to the same level as your cane. And that's how you do the stairs. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful as a review of ascending stairs when using a white cane. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you click that little bell icon, you'll be alerted when new videos are available. And have a wonderful day. Bye.